Clearing your search history on Target 2025 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to manage your search history effectively. Step 1. Open the Target app or website. Launch the Target app on your mobile device or visit the Target website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Look for the account icon or menu option, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the Privacy or Search History section. Within the account settings, locate the section labeled Privacy or Search History. This is where you can manage your search-related data. Step 4. Select Clear Search History. Once in the Search History section, look for the option to clear or delete your search history. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the action. A prompt may be asking you to confirm that you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Target 2025. Regularly managing your search history can help maintain your privacy and improve your shopping experience.